Good morning, all of you. My name is Aargya Soni, and today I am present here to present a topic which is capital market and its type, which is primary market and secondary market. First of all, I want to thank my faculty, who is Nitish sir, for giving us this opportunity to present over here and discuss about on this topic. So first of all, what is primary market? In the Indian financial system, the primary market involves in the issuance of the new securities like stocks, bonds by the companies or the government. Investor purchase this security directly from the issuance entity, providing the capital for their operations. On the other hand, the secondary market involved in the trading of already issued security among the investor here. Here, buyer and seller engage in the transaction on a stock exchange, facilitating liquidity and allowing investor to buy or sell existing securities. Both markets over here play a crucial role in the channeling funds and enabling price discovery in the Indian financial ecosystem. So that's all from my side. Thank you.